Gun violence and gun legislation continues to be a big discussion across the country as demand for leaders to do more to stop gun violence grows.
New tonight, 24-hour News 8's Zach Horner joins us with a proposed bill to make sure law enforcement has the training to handle school shootings. Zach?
Marley Bryan, I spoke with Dale Zorn, a state senator out of the 17th District of Michigan, and he wants to make active shooter training a mandatory part of the academy and have all current police officers do the training as well. A former police officer and Grand Rapids school administrator says that time and money could be better spent elsewhere.
Kids cannot learn in fear.
Today is the 19th anniversary of the Columbine school shooting.
Still more students.
A day forever burned into the minds of many. Also today, school walkouts, more youth asking our politicians to do more to stop gun violence. One state senator says training is the answer.
Police officers don't have the training right now, and what my bill would do is any new police officers that go to get certified will have this training.
It's Senate Bill 959. It would require police to have active shooter training as part of their already existing firearms training. So what does a police academy instructor who is also a school administrator think about this bill?
Most police departments around the state of Michigan, and particularly here in Kent County, are already training on active shooter. I don't know if there needs to be a law that needs to require departments to train their officers.
Johnson was a police officer in Grand Rapids before working with GRPS. He says more needs to be done to help kids before a shooting happens.
There's a huge variety of reasons why we're having school shootings across the country. Breakdown in the mental health system, breakdown in the home, breakdown in the community, breakdown in police-community relations.
Believing officers have the training they need, Johnson is more about getting to the root of the problem. Stopping school shootings before they happen.
Is the training around how we work with young people who may be distressed, who may be prone to commit a threat or commit an act of violence in a school. We need to begin working with those individuals and focusing our training around those areas that can most help kids.
Now Johnson adds that for the last 3 years, police have been using schools in the area to train for active shooter situations. In studio control tonight, I'm Zach Horner, 24-hour News 8.